Finding the right golf shoes in 2026 is all about balancing comfort, traction, stability, and waterproof protection, because every step you take directly impacts your swing and overall performance. Modern golf shoes now combine athletic sneaker-like comfort with advanced grip systems and helping you stay focused on your game in any condition. We're counting down the 5 best golf shoes that stand out for their performance, durability, and all-day comfort on the course. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Thestron 516 Golf Shoe. Stepping onto the course with the right footwear can completely change how the game feels. And this particular pair clearly aims to blend athletic performance with day-long comfort in a way that appeals beyond just serious golfers. Designed with a luxury-inspired sneaker aesthetic, these golf shoes manage to bridge the gap between functional sports footwear and something stylish enough to wear during casual walks as well. That versatility immediately makes them interesting for anyone who wants more than a single-purpose shoe. The upper combines PU construction with cotton-based interior elements, creating a structure that feels supportive without appearing overly rigid. PU uppers are often chosen because they provide a polished premium look while remaining easier to maintain compared to some traditional materials. The cotton lining helps soften the interior feel, which matters significantly during extended wear, especially when walking multiple holes across a course. Since golf often means long hours on your feet, interior comfort is not a minor feature, but one of the most important aspects of the entire experience. The EVA insole deserves attention because that material is widely appreciated for lightweight cushioning and shock absorption. Combined with the massage comfort feature, this suggests a walking experience aimed at reducing fatigue. Whether moving between shots, practicing for extended sessions, or simply wearing them for casual outdoor use, the comfort-focused design gives these shoes broader usefulness than standard sports footwear. Fit consistency is another reassuring aspect. A true-to-size, fit with medium-width construction makes sizing decisions easier, reducing uncertainty when ordering. The lace-up closure contributes to a secure, customizable fit, helping maintain stability while shifting weight during swings. In golf, even small movements in foot positioning can affect balance and shot execution, so dependable lockdown matters. Pros: stylish design, EVA cushioning, secure fit, walking comfort. Cons: not waterproof, limited wet grip. Number 4. Leyinlin Golf Shoe. For golfers who refuse to let unpredictable weather interrupt their game, this pair brings a far more practical approach to course footwear while still maintaining a sporty modern look that feels versatile enough for everyday wear. What immediately makes this model stand out is its focus on waterproof performance, which addresses one of the biggest frustrations many golfers face during early morning rounds, damp fairways, or unexpected weather shifts. Dry feet can make the difference between an enjoyable session and a distracting one, so that single feature already adds substantial value. The overall design leans into a lightweight athletic sneaker identity rather than the traditional bulky golf shoe appearance. That makes them appealing not only to golfers, but also to those who prefer sports footwear that feels agile and less restrictive. A shoe that looks fast often encourages confidence in movement, and this design certainly follows that direction. The low-profile construction allows better ankle freedom, making walking across varied terrain feel more natural rather than mechanically stiff. The leather upper adds another layer of appeal, giving the shoe a cleaner and more refined finish compared to purely synthetic alternatives. Leather also tends to provide dependable structural support, helping the foot remain stable during rotational movements like golf swings. Combined with the sticking upper construction, the shoe appears designed to balance flexibility with durability for repeated use. Inside, the cotton lining helps improve comfort by softening the contact points around the foot, which becomes increasingly important during long rounds or extended practice sessions. Comfort gets another noticeable boost from the EVA insole. This material has built a strong reputation for lightweight cushioning, shock absorption, and pressure relief. Walking a golf course can involve thousands of steps, so having an insole that reduces repetitive impact can dramatically improve the overall wearing experience. Since these are also described as comfortable walking footwear, the cushioning setup clearly supports more than just occasional athletic use. Pros: waterproof build, lightweight feel, strong cushioning, turf grip. Cons, narrow fit, sizing sensitivity. Number 3. LiXingMing X19-1 golf shoe. Finding golf footwear that successfully blends performance, comfort, weather protection, and standout style is not always easy, especially when many models focus heavily on function while ignoring personality. This particular option takes a noticeably different route, offering a professional golf shoe experience wrapped in a design that feels far more expressive and fashion-conscious than the average course shoe. The pink colorway alone makes an immediate statement, but beneath that visual appeal sits a surprisingly feature-rich performance package that deserves a closer look. One of the most attractive aspects here is the waterproof construction. Golf is not always played under ideal sunny conditions, and anyone who has spent hours walking through damp turf knows how quickly discomfort builds when shoes fail to keep moisture out. Waterproof protection adds practical confidence, allowing players to focus on their swing and movement rather than worrying about wet socks halfway through a round. That alone makes this a meaningful upgrade over fashion-first athletic shoes that simply resemble golf footwear. The leather upper paired with microfiber construction suggests a balance between structure, durability, and flexibility. Leather often contributes a premium appearance while helping maintain stability during the rotational mechanics of golf swings. The stitched upper fixing method also inspires more confidence than simpler bonded construction methods, since stitching typically signals stronger long-term durability. For players planning regular use, that detail becomes especially relevant. Comfort is clearly another major focus. The inclusion of EVA insoles brings lightweight cushioning and shock absorption, helping reduce fatigue during extended walking sessions. Golf can involve hours of movement across uneven terrain, and insufficient cushioning becomes noticeable quickly. The massage comfort feature adds another layer of appeal, hinting at a more pressure-relieving underfoot experience. Breathability also matters greatly in performance footwear, particularly during warmer rounds, and the breathable construction helps prevent the shoe from feeling overly enclosed. Pros: waterproof protection, stylish design, strong cushioning, non-slip grip. Cons: bold styling, limited color preference. Number 2, PGM XZ374 golf shoe. Some golf shoes focus purely on performance, while others lean heavily into casual style and forget what actually matters on the course. This model attempts to sit confidently between those two worlds, combining serious golf-ready functionality with a modern sneaker-inspired appearance that feels equally suitable for sport and casual wear. From the first glance, the design suggests a more contemporary interpretation of golf footwear, but the real interest comes from how many practical performance features are packed into the construction. The waterproof microfiber leather upper immediately positions this as a dependable option for golfers who play regardless of changing weather conditions. Wet grass, early morning dew, and unexpected rain can quickly ruin an otherwise enjoyable round when footwear is not prepared for the environment. Waterproof protection changes that experience entirely, allowing players to stay focused on movement, stability, and performance instead of dealing with discomfort. The added promise of handling uneven terrain makes the shoe feel more purpose-built than many fashion-leaning alternatives. Comfort appears to be a major design priority here. The inclusion of an EVA insole helps create lightweight cushioning that can significantly reduce foot fatigue during long sessions. Golf often means far more walking than many people initially expect, especially during full rounds or extended practice days. Good cushioning becomes less of a luxury and more of a requirement in those situations. Combined with the breathable construction, the overall comfort package appears designed for sustained wear without feeling overly heavy or restrictive. One of the most distinctive features is the rotating quick lacing system. Traditional laces can be practical, but they are rarely convenient when adjustments are needed mid-round. A portable rotating closure system creates a much cleaner and faster experience, making it easier to tighten or loosen the fit with minimal effort. This small convenience can make a surprisingly noticeable difference, especially for players who appreciate streamlined gear. Pros: waterproof build, quick lacing, strong traction, breathable comfort. Cons: slightly heavy. Number 1 and the winner is PGM XZ438 golf shoe. What makes a golf shoe genuinely memorable is not just weather protection or a sleek appearance, but how effectively it supports movement, comfort, and stability from the first tee to the final hole. This model feels engineered with that broader experience in mind, combining modern sports footwear design with performance-focused golf technology that aims to improve both comfort and practicality. At first glance, it presents itself as a stylish athletic golf sneaker, but the specification details reveal a more thoughtfully built performance shoe than the minimalist exterior might suggest. The standout feature here is clearly the cushioning system. A 30mm high elasticity EVA midsole immediately suggests a more comfort-driven approach than many standard golf shoes. Cushioning is not merely about softness underfoot. In golf, where players can spend several hours walking across hard paths, turf, and uneven ground, proper shock absorption can dramatically influence endurance. The added energy rebound characteristic makes this even more interesting, as it suggests the shoe is designed not only to reduce impact, but also to return responsiveness during movement. That combination creates a more athletic feel, making long rounds less physically draining. The waterproof construction adds another important layer of confidence. Golfers often encounter changing conditions, from wet morning grass to sudden rain interruptions, and having reliable water resistance makes a substantial difference in comfort. A shoe that keeps feet dry helps maintain focus, while discomfort from moisture can quickly become distracting. The microfiber leather upper contributes to this functionality while also maintaining a clean, premium visual appeal. Compared to heavier traditional leather, microfiber alternatives often provide better flexibility and reduced weight without sacrificing structure. Breathability is another valuable inclusion, especially since waterproof shoes sometimes feel too enclosed. The addition of fabric mesh elements helps balance protection with airflow, making the shoe more suitable for warmer weather rounds. That balance between airflow and weather defense is often difficult to achieve well, which makes this construction particularly appealing. Pros: energy rebound, waterproof build, quick adjustment, strong grip. Cons: single color. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.